Hello friends, as per the thumbnail you understand what's the video, what's the related video is. So I'm just creating a bucket here. So bucket name, like I just mentioned, as website fazakram.com. I'm not changing anything else over here. It's just all default. I just mentioned over here this and default, like AWS origin. If you choose this origin, then it will cost lesser. So North Virginia is the lesser cost. Okay, I'm just creating a bucket over here and not changing anything else. And let me show you the Angular file. What's the localhost 408080? The basic, I just checking the routing here and also the REST call, because it is a REST call. It's a HTTPS REST call. Okay, I'm just checking the routing is working or not and login in the login page. That's just I'm putting the REST call and then show the data over here. So just basic information. So I'm just coming up here. I'm just going inside website fazakram.com, upload, add files, go inside there. Where is my download? Let me check. Ta-da. Desktop might be. This is the app login. It's all files I download here. I have already created using ng build prod. Ng build, I'll put this command. If you if you go inside, one moment, inside here, you can just Control C, ng build -- prod. So then this file will be generated in the dist directory. You just copy all the dist files. So I just copied here and opening to the Firefox and uploading here. Okay, I just upload all the files. If you have a folder like assets folder, so add your folder from here, like add folder and the assets folder, and select the assets folder and upload, and there will be a pop-up here. So you just click over the OK. So I don't have any folder right now, so just uploading here. And please let me know if you like any kind of issue to work with, like S3 and with the cloud front. So I'll help you out. So just I'm closing it. No need to use a public bucket. I just, as a default private bucket, you can see in the permission. So the bucket is still private. Okay, we are not going to change anything else over here. I just mistake the website. Yeah, so no worries about that. So I'm just opening the cloud front. I clicked over here. Okay, I have already running 2 of them, so I'm just creating one more. It's choosing the bucket, but what I have created, just the bucket name I have added over here. Click over the yes and create new and click over here. Yes, update the bucket policy, and no need to change anything else over here. Just go down and select the root directory and the root file index.html. Create your distribution. Distribution is going to create it, and set the error page over here. What you need to do is like 403 error page. Yes, just to mention, like the maximum is 300. I just set over here index.html and I just marked as okay. Okay, let's wait. It's deploying stage, so let's wait few of minutes. It is under the deploying stage. It will take hardly 1 minute. And if you are still like facing any issue, so just put me in comment. I'll let you know, and I'll connect over the call as well, according to your message. If you are high priority issue, like you are unable to resolve that, so I'll help you out. So the basic funda is, no need to, your bucket should be private, because bucket won't be public, everyone can access that, but you can access through the CloudFront. Just deploying here. Just checking because it will notify here last deployment. It will show a date time once it deployed, so it's taking time. So the same thing will be open. Make sure because like in origin, like I mentioned, the default one, if you're one moment, not the origin, behavior, in the behavior, if you have fully HTTPS address, so then you can choose a redirect HTTP to HTTPS. But if your REST API is non-HTTP, like currently in my case, like you can see in my case it's the REST API is available on HTTPS, then it will work. But if it is not available over the HTTPS, then it won't work. To choose this one, so not to, like, in my case I can redirect these two, okay, and then if your case, like the API is not in HTTPS, then not to choose this one, redirect to this one. So by default you can choose this one, both will work. So let's see the CloudFront. I think the service will up. General, yeah, the service up. Copy this one and this thing here. It's running. You can see the data is coming, and you can also run this one over HTTP because I didn't change to like HTTPS. But in case of your the REST API is not in HTTPS, then it won't work. So make sure choose accordingly. Thank you so much. Have a great